All right, my name is Zach Blenkinsopp. I'm the owner of Digital Roofing Innovations. I own a construction company. And today I'm actually going to review the iWalk 3.0. That's right, because a few months ago I had total reconstructive surgery, so check out what they did to me, and you can see why I actually needed this to be able to walk. All right, so as you can see, if you own a construction company, you got to be able to walk around and stuff and check out the job site, make sure everything's going okay. And to be honest with you, without the iWalk 3.0, I wouldn't be able to do that. So the way this thing works is pretty simple. It's got 3 straps here, so if I take it off, it looks like this. And then all I do is put it back on. Obviously, you have to put this thing on together when you first get it. And this foot here, you see the arrow, it points outwards so it knows it's in the right position. But all I do is put my leg back in it. I do these 3 straps here. Tighten them up. And I'm off. Now, obviously, I can't really put any pressure on my foot after my total reconstructive foot and ankle surgery, so I have to do something to be able to walk around. So as you can see, I can walk around in this kind of with no problem. As you can see, walking around with the iWalk, it's not exactly as easy if you're just walking around with your normal legs before this existed. And but I would say you probably use about 50 to 100% more energy doing this than just regular walking. One of the cool features I do like about it is it's got this nice handle. So when you first get used to walking on it, you're probably going to use this a lot when you're walking around. But then over time, you're gonna get a little better and you can just start walking like this. So one of the things I also suffer with is from gout. And I really wish I would have known that this iWalk 3.0 existed years ago, because there's been many times where I had gout attacks and I couldn't walk. And if I would have just had this with me, I would have actually been able to still go out and do functions when I had gout in my big toes and ankles. So if you're someone who suffers with gout, particularly if you get it in your big toe and your feet or your ankle and you're limited, a great option is to be able to buy this iWalk 3.0. And guys, I'm not being paid to do this. I'm not. I just think it's a cool product and it's really helped me get back to work. All right, so that's kind of my review of the iWalk 3.0. Again, without this thing, I really wouldn't be able to get back to work. I'd be stuck laying in bed or on crutches all the time. This gives me the freedom to be able to walk around. I've actually played 6 rounds of golf over the last few weeks with this thing on. I go to the gym regularly, so while I can't do everything I normally would with 2 normal legs, this gives me a great alternative. And it gives me an idea of what, some of our people who's had lost limbs before and had to use prosthetics. So I do have an appreciation for them now more than ever. The last thing is I'll show you how I get down from my steps. So you kind of step down, and that's it. That's the iWalk 3.0.